So when it comes to energy efficiency, there's a lot of, you've got your skins, and then there's a lot of core technologies between the two door skins, what we think of a door. And quite often, the old school was like an old white styrofoam cooler. If you remember, maybe your grandparents had one, and down the road you'd pick it up and the thing would just fall apart, simply because those little balls of styrofoam and the glue would fail. We've even seen some that have actually done like a honeycomb cardboard between their doors. And of course, that's not very energy efficient at all. So one of the things that ProVia is doing is that we do a polyurethane core. A polyurethane core gives you more energy efficiency because it's a denser material. So it's going to give you a U factor that is going to be way better than most of the door technologies out in the industry.